Meaning of granted.
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 Granted. The term granted is often used to indicate the act of providing someone with a particular privilege, benefit, or authorization. When someone is granted something, they are given permission or approval to access or perform a specific action or act in a certain way. The result of being granted can be favorable or unfavorable depending on the context, since it could lead to positive outcomes, such as gaining access to exclusive opportunities, or negative consequences, like being held responsible for something that you were granted the authority to do but did not execute properly.